Hello, Mr. Heap here, and today we're going to start up a game where we are going to make a platform, and we're going to be on there with another person. There's my son Oscar. Hey, Oscar. And we are going to try to knock each other off the platform. Part of the rules of this is you can't jump, you can't fly, you have to be on the platform, and then you hit blocks and then make them disappear below a person. So, what first we're going to do is make sure the world's flat, like we do on most things we do. And then I like to have a nice green grass, flat ground, so we're not dealing with water or any other obstacles that might hinder us from making something different, because again, each world is a little different. So we start with the basic code that's right here. If your world is flat and full of green, feel free to skip these two set blocks lines. All right, so now we got to think of a platform that we want to be in. So our platform, what we can do is let's make it out of like glowstone, because I think glowstone is a pretty cool block. So we'll have MC dot set blocks. Now we have to decide how big we want to do. Let's just start with something smaller to begin with, and later on I'll bump it up a little bit. But let's do -5 to the 5. Actually, let's do -5, and then do 5 to 5. We want the y value to stay the same because we just want one level, and then it goes from -5 to 5 in both x and z, and then we have glowstone. So I'm going to run it. I'm going to look around. Oh, there it is. Fly over to it. Now this is going to be the place where we're going to hit the blocks beneath us, and then they're going to disappear, and then when somebody um, falls through, they die or they lose, whatever. So right now, if I right click, nothing happens. But you can see if you left click, it creates a hole. We don't want that. We want it to just have the same rules. So we're going to have mc.setting. We're going to make the world immutable, world underscore immutable in quotes, and then comma true. So now we are done with our base.